Hi guys, welcome to the channel again. So this video is going to be about honestly, if I will say that today I'm going through a lot of emotional turbulence, feeling like very hopeless, and many things were going on. Right now I'm in a very balanced state after doing my prayers and all, and I feel like many in collective are feeling the same way lately, and there is a message for all of us here. So people who are connecting with me right now with this kind of energy, and whenever this video reaches, it doesn't matter if you are in this state of emotional upheaval, then this message is for you. And let's see what guidance is coming for all of us. Okay, so let's see what is the message for all of us, what is going on. So we have Knight of Swords, and it definitely means that something from deep level we are going through which needs to be taken care of. Meaning, let's say there is a lot of fear, or if there's a lot of anxiety going on, so the divine is guiding us that we need to cut off that fear and have that faith. Some of you, please confirm if you have got hurt lately. Maybe it could be a small hurt on your fingers or your legs, or some kind of a scratch. I don't know why I feel like this. It's like something you are being saved from, like something like this scratch is or whatever mark, or you got wound or some kind of hurt. It's like something big problem had to happen, and but it is cut off with this small, like there is a karmic clearance, and you need to be thankful. Okay, Hangman. So definitely a lot of us are feeling like this. Please ignore the background music. It's actually some kind of religious ritual is going on. I will not explain it here, but it's something very good, positive vibes. But I don't know if my voice is coming clearly. The Hangman is saying that we are like, I don't see here, like we are getting a lot of progress in something. We are feeling stuck, we are feeling hanged in our life. We don't know what's going on, what's coming up. But let's see what is the guidance for us, what is coming for us, what is coming for us, why all this is happening with us. Knight of Wands. We got lot of Knight of Swords, Knight of Wands. So there could be a lot of frustration, anger, emotional turbulence lately with all of us. And I know this, I'm confirming. This is happening since 3-4 days. Like in a very boiling level, okay? Before that, okay, it used to come and go, but 3-4 days I'm feeling it's like boiling. All those emotions are boiling and making me feel cry. And even I cried, and it's okay to always cry. Okay, and if you cried lately, or if you're crying right now, this is the sign that this message is for you. Another sign. Page of Wands. I think something will knock on our door which will make us hopeful or positive again with this stagnant energy. It could be some call, email, some communication, some realization. Could be anything. Just because of something, your energy will shift. Or it has already shifted, but you are still... Oh, yeah. We all are really feeling this heartbreak, not because of some person or something. I feel it's more about our life in a general. We are feeling heartbreak with many things, that why this is happening with me, what am I doing wrong, why wherever I'm applying I'm getting rejection, why my life is stagnant. Like these kind of questions are going on. Wow, the cards are really picking the energy well. Empress. I think March could be the month, or 3 months from now could be the month for some of you, that this energy will change completely. Like there will be a shift, and where we will feel more fertility period in our life. I don't know, for 2 or 3 people here watching, you might be getting pregnant, but I see a time of growth is coming. Wow. This is good. After 3 of Swords, getting Empress is really beautiful. And a lot of you could be here watching are female. This could also be the reason. I'm picking onto many feminine energy, or people who are really connected to their feminine aspect, like meaning their emotions. So does not have to be any gender specific. What is coming for us? What is the guidance? Okay. So we have got Page of Wands, Ace of Wands. Okay. So I feel a little more patience we need to have, a little more faith we need to have, like bit by bit. Even there is lot of things going on inside. Be calm down, just be an observer. We are right now in this stage. We don't know what's going on. See, there is a blindfold, okay? We don't know what's going on, but things will make sense. And we have King of Swords and King of Cups. Something where we will feel more in power again, more in confidence again, more in love energy, feeling more love inside, love for surrounding, love for our life, gaining back that confidence. We have 3 of Wands at the back of the deck, which means there could be some significant traveling happening, or in general it could be a shift also, but I see traveling, and this traveling will help heal. Okay, what else we see? One more card. Wow, 9 of Cups is at the back of the deck, which means something is going to manifest for us, as per our wish, in our favor. We need to little bit have more patience, calm down. 4 of Swords is confirming. Keep questioning things. If you're going to apply somewhere for jobs or business or partnership, keep doing that. Keep working on yourself. Keep working on your mental, state. This you can do right now. Quickly we will see from Moonology card what is the guidance for us. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Yay! And the moment I said this, in the background they said Jai. Jai means victory. Okay, means praising the Lord. That in a way it can be like saying thank you also. Wow, just be thankful for your life. You will find the reason to say thank you. A time to give rather than take. It means if we are too much expecting or focusing that something which you have to be confident inside for yourself, like by doing it yourself, like take that stand. Wherever you need to speak, be that, initiate into something like that. Calm down, calm your energies. See this lady having the patience is all I'm getting. You can also practice quietness, like this. Don't speak for quite few hours. Don't watch anything. I'm not asking you to sit and meditate in some posture, but if you can do once in a week or anytime you remember this, I think this will help us, right? I'm getting this message. Calm down. Show the world the real you. That's what I was trying to tell you, that a time to give rather than take means if we are only expecting to get something from outside of us, from any person, from anything, but we are not giving that thing to ourselves on our own. I hope you're getting the message. Like, you should be available for yourself the way you are expecting from others. Do it on your own. despite of taking help, you have to be more into any particular situation, that you have to put more of your time, rather than only expecting that if you have given some advice or something to happen and you have given some instruction. No, you have to be there to understand. Adjustments are required. Hold your vision. Again, there is lot, and at the bottom of the deck we have meditate and contemplate. New moon in Pisces. Again, I feel something is coming in the Pisces month for all of us. February and March. If this happens, please come to this video and comment down. And we have a personal issue reaches resolution. So something personal going on with us. Whatever personal thing is going on with you right now, even if it's a fight within yourself, that will get resolved. Some adjustment are required right now to have more patience. Hold your vision. Things will make sense. Okay, so this was a general collective reading as per what I felt today. If it resonated, please let me in the comment section. And for personal reading, you can always connect on Instagram. Link is in the description. Thank you. Take care. See you. Bye bye.